What's up guys, and welcome to the epic battery drain test comparison of the Galaxy S24 Ultra against the iPhone 15 Pro Max along with the Pixel 8 Pro and of course the old but the gold Galaxy S23 Ultra. We'll be putting these phones through hell to find out which one comes on top. It's time to see what Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy brings to the table. Before we begin, just to remind you, Samsung's insane Galaxy S24 series pre-order offers are still live. You can save massive amount of money on your purchase and win cash credit, so definitely check those offers. Links are mentioned in the description. So let's kick off the test. As always, enjoy the music and I'll see you guys on the other side. So after many hours later, the battle is finally finished. The first to dive was the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, coming at 8 hours and 10 minutes. Then we have Google Pixel 8 Pro clocking in full 10 hours of time, iPhone 15 Pro Max at 10 hours and 20 minutes, and finally the winner and the last phone standing, Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, coming at nearly 11 hours, 10 hours 59 minutes to be completely exact. The S24 Ultra doesn't need a 3nm chip to beat the iPhone. 8 Gen 3 is super effective, beating the iPhone 15 Pro Max by about 30 minutes, and the score gets even better when we compare it to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. I kinda expected the S23 Ultra to perform better, but it is the oldest phone on the table, almost a year old. It's been about 4 months since we last did a battery test on the S23 Ultra, so there's been some couple of updates. Still 8 hours plus for a year-old phone. It's still very impressive. Now what's even more impressive is the battery timing of the Google Pixel 8 Pro on its latest update. This is the first time I've tested out the Pixel 8 Pro in the battery drain test battle, and it definitely did full 10 hours of battery usage, right up there with the absolute top dogs. But there we have it. S24 Ultra has won it comfortably with a good lead. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Please do subscribe if you're new here for future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.